guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for today's video po, ang gagawin po natin ay nagalungkat po ako ng aking mga Kinder and to grade 12 awards. And let's start! Samahan niyo ako ngayon. Okay guys, this one is the... Nakikita niyo ba? Certificate of recognition yan ng compilation namin ng work immersion. Si San Jose, guys. Kakamiss. And then this one is the grade 12. Yan, grade 12. With honors. Ito, guys, is grade 10. With honors din ako yan, guys. To recognition namin. And then ito, guys, grade 9, 4th honor, and 3rd honor. Tapos ito, grade 9 din, top 5. Tapos ito, certificate of recognition ng diploma ko, guys, to grade 6. Tapos ito, guys, balagtasan. Nagbalagtasan ako before. Tapos ito, yung camping ng Girl Scout before. Ay, pa-certificate sila. Tapos ito, best in attentive and best in attendance. Ribbon lang ng grade 5. Tapos ito, grade 4, most behave. Yan.